Okay, so hopefully you watched the other video where we kind of slowly work through the process of using the tangent ratio to figure out whichever angle. I'm going to take you through two examples. It might be relatively quick, but luckily it's a video. You can stop it at any time, work through it, work it backwards. I'll also post a bunch of other videos that you may not want to watch a little longer, but that will help. So for our first example, let's say we're still trying to find theta up here. One side is 6, the other side is 8. Wow. We know that if theta is over here, this is the opposite. So we're going to write that in. It makes this one the adjacent. Okay. Now that we've kind of labeled our sides, we can actually go in to use the ratio. So following through, first thing, always just substitute. So the tangent of theta equals opposite divided by the adjacent. Okay. So theta is going to equal tan -1, 8/6. This is our button on our calculator. Remember the website that I've given you. If I grab the calculator, I punch in the numbers. Clear. The tangent of 8 divided by 6 equals. Same answer, 53. Okay. So this means that theta equals 53 degrees. We know from our understanding that all interior angles are 180 degrees, that 53 plus 90 minus the 180 is going to give us our missing one, okay? And that should yield 37 degrees. Okay. Now, that's example 1. Example 2, same process, we'll take it through, but we'll switch a little bit. Same triangle. However, what happens if theta is here? Well, nothing really. Okay. First of all, let's give it its values. This is 5. Say this one's 9. We first identify the opposite and adjacent sides. Theta is here. That's the opposite, so we'll label it, making this the adjacent. Now that we have labeled the triangle, we can actually substitute it into our ratio and calculate our answer. So, substitution, tan of theta is equal to 5 divided by 9. When we punch it into our calculator, we're actually going to hit the -1 button. Remember to use the calculator that we've agreed upon using, the web-based one. So we punch those in. I'm going to write that out in advance. I grab my calculator, hit clear, -1 of 5 divided by 9, close the bracket, equals 29.05. We're just going to write it as 29, or 29 degrees. Now, remembering once again that all the interior angles of a triangle add up to equal 180. If we have the 29 degrees, we know the 90 degrees should all equal 180. Doing the math, you should come up with 61 degrees for here and 29 degrees for here. Okay, I'll give you a practice sheet. There will be a number of questions on there, but here's the essence of, once again, using the ratio, side, labeling, figuring out the answer. See you soon.